So what this is a mock-up of a 2-flat home. Essentially what I have is a main circuit panel with a single floor, a second floor, and a bell switch for both floors. And then this is the staircase where it has multiple switches in one light circuit. And if I plug it in, it's already plugged in. This is 240 volts, and on each wire is 120, 120. Now I'm gonna power it on. Now the system is live. So everything here is live. So all I'm gonna do is, so say this is one room. This is one room. You flick the switch and it turns the lights on. Then come down here, you have a GFI outlet. A GFI outlet is usually used in a bathroom. And what happens is if it shorts out or it gets tripped, it shuts off at the outlet without tripping the whole circuit. So you can just hit the reset button on the outlet. Next, I have another room over here that's set on a little light. So now that that's on, you see that. And it's pretty much the same thing up here. You got a couple outlets in here as well, tied in with the same power source that goes into the light bulbs. Then the two doorbell circuits. So for the bottom floor, you hit this switch and that bell rings. At the top one, that one rings. And they are on their own doorbell circuit. It goes to this little relay out in the back here and into the circuit breaker. So I have, most of these are all 15 amp breakers. I have a single 20 up here and then 100 main up here. And everything is grounded. Everything has a neutral and everything has a power. And so with this side, it's like a hallway or a staircase that has very long light rows. So you can turn on one switch at one section, it'll turn everything on. And then another switch at another section, it'll turn it off. And then another switch at another section, and it'll turn it on. And then on the bottom here, another switch, and it'll turn it off. And it works vice versa with all the switches. Alrighty, and that is my mock-up house electrical panel with a 1-flat, 2-flat, with multiple bedrooms and outlets, with 2 doorbells for each flat, and then a staircase lighting system with multiple light switches, along with all the switches for the individual light bulbs. Thank you, and this has been my engineering final.